Hi, I am from Team Shrinkhala. We have used a blockchain-based agriculture supply chain transparency system which used Hyperledger Fabric as a blockchain platform. For front-end, we have used Kotlin and RoamDB. For backend, we have used Firebase and Node.js. We have developed a blockchain-based agriculture supply chain transparency that automates product registration, pricing, transfer, and stakeholder verification while also integrating blockchain based QR codes for consumer access. Each batch is assigned a unique batch ID and a QR code that allows consumers to instantly check the product history. The system connects five stakeholders: farmers, processors, distributors, retailers, and the officials. At the starting of this process, the process starts with the first transaction between the farmer and the processor while recording the essential details such as the farmer's details, farmer's name, crop variety, crop name, place of origin, and price, and same for the processor name, the crop he has purchased, and at what price. If this transaction is validated, the new batch ID is generated for the bulk produce and sub batch IDs will be generated for the smaller packs. This ensures the entire supply chain tamper-proof, transparent, and trustworthy for all the stakeholders.
Let me quickly walk you through the structure of an app, FoodLens. When a user opens the app, the very first screen asks them to choose their role in the supply chain: farmer, processor, distributor, or a retailer. This ensures that every actor only sees the features relevant to them, and it keeps data secured and role-based. For example, when a retailer registers, they enter basic store information and upload the government certificates like of the FSSAI or organic certificates. These certificates are not stored on the phone, they go into IPFS system, a decentralized file system, and only a hash is stored on blockchain. This makes them tamper-proof and easy to verify later. When a processor or distributor receives a food batch, they just scan the QR code on the package. Instantly, the blockchain shows them the origin, quantity, and other details. They can verify the conditions of the good and then log the receipt to blockchain with one click. At the same time, the smart contract automatically transfers ownership from the previous stakeholders to them. This means no step in the chain can be skipped or faked. Finally, we also have an admin dashboard. This is for the government or cooperatives who want to see the bigger picture: live transactions, pending verifications, and overall system health. It gives full transparency and makes the supply chain trustworthy. And for the consumers, it's even simpler. They don't need the app at all, they just scan the QR code with any phone and they see the farm to fork journey: farmer origin, prices at each stage, certificates, and freshness. So overall, the app has 5 key parts: role selection, stakeholder registration, batch scanning and transfer, certificate verification, and the admin dashboard. Each one is simple to use, but behind the scenes, blockchain and smart contracts are making sure that the data is authentic, immutable, and transparent.